Dear sir, now we are showing how to cross through the monofilament inside the machine. At first, after we install the bobbin here, and then we need to cross through the monofilament. At first, because the monofilament is soft, it's very soft, so to make it more convenient to cross through the machines, we will fold it like this. So this side it will be more harder and more easier to cross through inside the machine. Now our technician will show how to.
可以擦了吧？
可以了。
咱们先穿这个，这个离单是最近的一个眼，也是第一个眼。
Okay,
就
please,
这个。
please see there is a hole here. At first, the first hole we need to cross through is here. 好，师傅。
穿上去啊。
Okay. It's coming outside from here. Another hole. Okay.
然后是第二个。看到没？它这个眼跟它这个齿眼跟这个齿眼是对应的。
Okay. First, please cross through this hole. Okay, it's on this part. Okay.
还有这个，这边有齿眼，有齿眼的，这边没齿眼。
Please notice that on this part you can find. Sorry. You need to turn it in by this way. Okay. You can see there are two parts here. One hole in here, and another hole in here. But please notice that you must cross through the monofilament by this hole because you can see there's a small plastic part here. It can protect monofilament be damaged when it's working because this small plastic part can protect the monofilament. So you need to cross through the monofilament from here. Okay.
这个齿眼跟这个叶子啊，这个齿眼也有对应的，看到没？在这边。
Okay, there's another small hole here. Okay, there's also a pink plastic part here. Okay.
然后移动单丝把它给搞到上边去。
Okay, it's coming from here.
这边也是有齿眼的，都是对应的，这么多就是对应的齿眼。
Okay. We also need to cross through from this hole.
但是上去，在上面。
Okay.